Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can activate grid lines in your camera. So when we are in the photo mode, we have to tap on the left upper corner, and next we have to simply scroll down until we find the grid lines. Tap right here to activate them, then just go back, and as you can see right now they appears on our screen. I'm going also to change the ratio a little bit. Let's go for 3:4 and take a look. When we are in the photo mode, there we got the grid lines, and we are able to make better composition of our photo. So if you want to make a photo like that and got this object into the middle, just put the frame into the grid lines, and as you can see it looks like that. Definitely better than, wait a minute, I just have to go back. We got some problem with the touch interaction in the smartphone. It definitely looks better than without, because without them we'll probably make it like that. And as you can see, there's the difference about the composition of the photo. So that's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.